Logic Pro X and Ableton Live are two of the most popular DAWs for music producers, but they cater to different styles and workflows. If you're deciding which one to use, here's a clear breakdown of how they stack up in features, workflow, and value. Let's begin with Logic Pro X, which is known for its polished, traditional layout. It's perfect for linear recording, detailed editing, and complex arrangements. It feels like a professional recording studio in software form. Ableton Live, on the other hand, is built for speed and experimentation. Its session view allows producers to trigger loops, samples, and MIDI clips in real time, making it a favorite for electronic music, hip-hop, and especially for live performances. Logic Pro X includes a massive sound library, advanced MIDI editing, and powerful stock instruments like Alchemy. Its scoring tools and film scoring integration make it a go-to for composers. Ableton Live focuses on creative sound design. Its built-in effects, warping engine, and Max for live integration open up endless possibilities for experimental production and live remixing. While Logic leans more towards polish and post-production, Ableton thrives in improvisation and sound manipulation. Logic Pro X, though, is Mac only, highly optimized for Apple hardware, and offers seamless integration with iPad and iPhone via Logic Remote. Ableton works both on Mac and Windows, making it more versatile across setups. Logic Pro X is a one-time purchase, which is around $200, which is incredible value for the tools included. And Ableton comes in 3 tiers: Intro, Standard, and Suite, with the full suite costing $749, but it provides unmatched creative freedom for electronic and experimental producers. So which one is better? I think Logic Pro is ideal for recording, mixing, and traditional production. Ableton Live is the choice for creative performances and electronic music. The best pick really depends on how you make music. So, which one do you use? Let me know in the comments below. If you want me to compare them with any other DAWs, also let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, give this a like if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.